So this is just going to be a quick little tutorial on how to create sprites that you can reuse in any kind of thumbnail that you want to make. This is just, once you learn this method, it's just going to take you a couple minutes to go through it. It's very easy. So we're going to start by opening up our little image here in the free program GIMP, which I'll link in the description down below. And you'll right click your image, open with GIMP, and you'll be presented at this screen right here. The first thing we're going to do is right click, go to layer, hit new layer. We're going to hit make sure it's transparency, and we're going to hit OK. Now we see we have two layers over here on the right. Make sure your screenshot layer is clicked, drag it over so it's on top right there. So the other layer, transparency layer, is on the bottom. Now you're going to right click your image layer and hit alpha to selection. Now you're going to go up to select, go to shrink 1 pixel, hit OK. Back to select, invert. Now we'll click back on here, hold down the control button and use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. So zoom in, holding down the control button and the mouse wheel. Now we can begin. So start by hitting the U button on your keyboard. This puts you into the fuzzy select tool right here. And you're just going to start by clicking on areas around what you want to keep. So around Space Homer. Like that. We got that chunk. Hit delete. So we're just going to go around like this, deleting all the excess bigger pieces. Don't worry about the little lines. We're going to get those in the next step. Go around, deleting the bigger stuff. Make sure you try not to delete anything in the main image. And I'll do it just to show you. Let's pick this area. Let's say you selected something in here, deleted by accident. All you have to do is hit Control Z, and that undoes your action. And you can do that multiple times. You can go Control Z, and you can just redo all the actions I just did all the way back to the beginning. So we're just going to keep deleting. Get rid of these here. Okay, now we're ready to refine it even further. So on your keyboard, you're going to hit a 3-key combination. All of these will be in the description. You're going to hit Control Shift A. What that does is it resets all states in GIMP. And then you're going to go ahead and hit Shift E. So this puts you back onto the eraser tool right up here. And this is your brush size 10. So you can adjust that. Right now we're going to work with 10, and you're just going to start erasing. Like that. Erase bigger stuff. And again, if you make a mistake like this, just hit Control Z. And that brings up another thing. A quick tip. Do it in small chunks like this, and then let go of the mouse. Because if you do it in one long continuous chunk and you make a mistake and you have to redo that mistake, now you have to redo that whole continuous chunk that you just did. So go ahead, we'll clean this up a little bit. Get this up here and come around there like that. And that's pretty good for thumbnail purposes. If you want, you can go smaller brush size to 5 or smaller, and then you can really start kind of really refining. You can zoom in, Control Zoom, and then you can start doing minor refinements if you like. You don't have to. Alright, so now we're ready to export our sprite with the transparent background that we can reuse for thumbnails. So you're going to go up to File, Export As, and then you're going to pick your destination. And that's it. You are now able to make your own little sprites for your own thumbnails. Enjoy.